Understanding the phrase, high bidder. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unpack the phrase, high bidder. If you've ever participated in an auction or watched movies featuring auction scenes, you might have come across this term. But what does it really mean, and how can you use it in everyday English? Let's find out together. The phrase, high bidder, refers to the person or entity that has offered the highest price for an item in an auction. Auctions are public sales where goods or services are sold to the person who offers the most money. The bid is that offer of money. So, the high bidder is leading the competition with their bid, which is higher than all others at that point. In an auction, items are presented one by one, and interested parties make bids to purchase them. The auctioneer announces the bids until no higher bids are received. The person holding the highest bid when the auctioneer says, sold, is the high bidder and wins the right to purchase the item. Being the high bidder doesn't mean you have bought the item yet. It simply means you are currently offering the most money for it. Let's go over some examples of how high bidder can be used in a sentence. The painting went to the high bidder for $1 million. I was the high bidder at the charity auction last night. They were outbid at the last second by a high bidder from overseas. In these sentences, high bidder is used to describe someone with the highest offered price in an auction context. It can also imply success, competition, and sometimes the excitement or disappointment in an auction setting. Interestingly, the term high bidder can also be used metaphorically. In non-auction contexts, referring to someone as the high bidder could mean they are offering more than just money. It could be more effort, time, or resources into something compared to others. For example, in the end, the company went with the high bidder, a candidate who offered the best mix of experience and dedication. I hope this explanation clarifies the phrase, high bidder, for you. Whether you find yourself at an auction or hear this term used metaphorically, you're now equipped to understand and use it like a pro. Thanks for watching, and remember to practice using new phrases to improve your English fluency. Catch you in the next video.